Hello friend, welcome to a new video from Net. In the previous video we have together installed Nextcloud Storage Cloud on VirtualBox. In this video we will increase the storage size for it. As you can see, the free storage is now 12 GB, I will show you how to increase it. First of all, you shut down your virtual machine with the command power off. Next, open VirtualBox and go to Virtual Media Manager. Here you select the hard drive of the Nextcloud virtual machine, then use the size slider at the bottom of the window to resize it. In this example, I've enlarged it from 20 GB to 100 GB. You now have a larger virtual hard disk. However, the Nextcloud storage on your virtual hard disk is the same size, so you won't be able to access any of this space yet. That's why you need to use Gparted to resize Nextcloud storage. First, download the Gparted ISO file from gparted.org. I will leave the link for you in the description of this video. Next, load the Gparted ISO file into your Nextcloud virtual machine by going into the virtual machine settings window, and browsing to the ISO file on your computer. Please note the adjustment for your Nextcloud virtual machine to boot from Gparted. Press the Start button to start the Nextcloud virtual machine. Gparted will ask you some questions during boot. You click Fix to use up virtual hard drive space. Then a window will appear allowing you to enlarge your partition. Right-click the partition you want to enlarge and select Resize or Move. In this video, drag the slider all the way to the right to use all the available space for the partition. Don't forget to click the Apply button to enlarge the partition. After the resize operation completed, restart your Nextcloud virtual machine and remove the Gparted ISO file. The work is not done yet, you still have to do one more step. You connect to your Nextcloud virtual machine using SSH, replace your username and password. You just need to copy and paste the two commands above. I will put these two commands in the description of the video. After more than 2 minutes of waiting, we check how the Nextcloud cloud storage has changed. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your questions in the comment section down below. As you can see, Nextcloud cloud storage has been enlarged from 12 GB to over 86 GB. Good luck.